Hello, as you can see in this, there's a glove on top of a glass. Inside this glove, we have bicarb or baking soda. Inside this glass, there is vinegar. If bicarb soda and vinegar get together, they have some chemical reactions. So when it has a chemical reaction, it's going to burst through, it's going to go up, straight up here, and it's going to create like a proper hand. But be careful, it can actually go off, so have an adult near you. And you don't have to use a glove if you don't have one. You can use a balloon. That works the same way, except it's more round, except this one, it can be like a hand. So let's see how this works. 3. But make sure that sometimes it doesn't always work. So like it's all about trying again. So let's get started. Ooh, having a bit of chemical reaction. Mini hand. Ooh, we got a hand. We got Mr. Hand. Mr. Hand is coming there. Look at Mr. Hand. He's Mr. Hand. Lucky for me, this time it worked. Sometimes it can actually burst open. So it's best to have an adult. And if your glass is a bit small, you can use a rubber band like how I did. Thank you for watching. Bye.